Hello my YouTube family and welcome back to the channel. If you're a new subscriber, please hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so you don't miss anything that I post. If you're an old subscriber, thank you for coming back. I appreciate you being here. Guys, we are still at the Winkey's farm building the pig house. So like I said in the old video, we can stop at this stage and find a different spot to continue building, because this area is a water line, but we had already put out these 4 rooms, and so I wasn't going to let my bricks go in vain. So we can roof this and try to find a higher ground to build. We are trying to build about, but originally I said 16 rooms, but we already did 4 yet. We can still do 16 more wherever spot we find it, because I just want 16 rooms down. So that's what we're gonna do. But my guys are at the farm, so that's my manager trying to put out some planks so we can start the roofing. And beside him is my older brother. He came from Monrovia to see what was going on my farm and to help my manager get stuff done quicker. And I appreciate it. I love my brother. Thank you, Emmanuel. Yes, so we are at the Winkey's farm. So you see all the land bridge over there. We wanted to extend that new pig house going down. That's the old pig house with the blue roof out there. We wanted to extend the new pig house all the way down to that one and connect it, because originally that one was supposed to be the 16 room, but we found out it was also a swimming area, so we left it and came up on that end, and now we realize it's also a swimming area, so we have to find another spot or higher ground. But tell me what you think, guys. Leave a comment below. I love reading your comments. I love hearing from you. I always take your suggestions and implement it on my farm, so I appreciate you guys. Please hit the subscribe button if you already haven't done so, and enjoy the video. Welcome to Winkey's farm.
SOG it's your boy PC. Easy get carried up. King Jaffa, see you.
I play the tank flyer. We carry the news to the woman I desire. Missing her, I will not retire. I just say she sell it to can fly away in Batala. Beautiful to my soul. The way I feel is beyond control. I will not marry you, I will wait for you. I will not marry you, I will break for you. I will not marry you, I will hold my side for you. I will not marry you, I will not marry you.
Let it sound so funny. When I get it talking, I be on you for your money. Ooh, need it till they let it be talking. You call on the lale kata, you tell that to Londo. You tell that to Londo. Yanga manga banga ya pepe. Imate bapanga bate wabapper. Baby kwaya labo. Yato wabapanga bato wabapper. Baby uni. Ikolo wale kama bukupu ukiwa pepe. Baby mo,
I will not marry you, I will wait for you. I will not marry you, I will break for you. I will not marry you, I will hold my side for you. I will not marry you, I will not marry you, I will wait for you. I will only care your love, I will know. I will sing the bass, she's soprano. Cause something about you is carrying me away. And now I know, girl, I'm taking you slow. baby girl, you wicked. But I don't point my choose. Anything true for your penny. I will never let you go through. I'm stupid. Let me know when you're ready. Slip quick, I admire your pity. That I don't lie, you the me check out. Oh, and my truth, tell the truth. I will not marry you. I will wait for you. I will not marry you. I will break for you. I will not marry you. On my side for you. I will not marry you. I will not marry you. I will wait for you. Charida, Physique, when I
Your mouth say you want to tell me to forget what Tip last saying?
to carry the news to the woman I desire.
What thinking about?
Missing her, I will not retire. I just said she sell it to fly away in Batala. Beautiful to my soul. The way I feel is beyond control. I will not marry you. I will wait for you. I will not marry you. I will break for you. I will not marry you. I will hold my side for you. I will not marry you. I will not marry you.
Let it sound so funny. When I hear them talking, I be on you for your money. Ooh, leave it till they let them be talking. You go on the lale, got ya, you did it.